world is comprised of 5% indigenous people, and they're preserving 80% of the world's biodiversity. They've never lost how to connect with and recognize their place within the natural world, and that they are the natural world.
The traditional worldview, whether it's Bhutanese or other societies around the world, is that they have been intimately connected to nature, and that connection has kept Mother Earth healthy. It has promoted community vitality. And so I think we can just show the world what we are doing and how we are living here in harmony with nature, and not pursuing a purely economic goal, but also environmental preservation and cultural conservation.
There's a principle in Maori culture called kaitiakitanga, which essentially is all about looking after our environment, our resources, in a way that ensures we can hand them down to future generations in the best possible way. I'm inspired by that, and you can feel that same philosophy here in Bhutan.